Clever husband made the little holder thingies for the oranges, and these is whirligigs, which look really good. Oops, sorry about the pole there.
Sylvester.
And on the hat, yep, right, this is a wax eye sitting on the hat of the whirligig that my clever husband Houston made, and one on the front wheel, and a few around the piece of orange. Having some, a bit of breezes, feathers,
Yeah, there's one on the little wheel.
Yeah, got that, yeah. So they're lovely little birds, we like feeding them. One on the little wheels wiggling his feathers a bit. They disappeared for probably close to a year, we hadn't seen any. And now they're back. You tell me if they get anywhere interesting for videoing, Huey.
Well, there's one on the DC3.
Oh, is there?
Taken off.
Yeah, you can see they love the orange. They're very dainty little birds. Oops, bit of fighting there. They've got another piece of orange. I don't know if there's any of them on it or not yet.
Yeah, there's currently 3 up there.
Now this has gone out of focus. So they've got the 2 pieces of orange, and as you can tell they really like it. They get a bit bossy about, this is mine, this is mine. The one on the white things, see he's got his claw up, holding himself. They're quite funny really.
There's about 12 or 13 over there at present.
Are they gone?
No, they're still there.
Okay.